Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at EXIFTool. It's an app that you can install on your Linux system to pull metadata from JPEG and PNG files. That metadata provides information such as the date the image was created or last modified, the image size in pixels, the image resolution, etc. For photographs, it also includes a lot of information on the camera or device used. For example, the shutter speed, aperture, brightness. You can also find out when a photo was taken and from where it was taken in terms of longitude and latitude. All of these values are stuffed into your image files and extracted and displayed by EXIFTool with labels so that you can tell what's what. Beware, though, that you will see a lot of output. So if I run this command here, which passes the output to WC-L to count the lines, you can see there are 88 lines of output. Now, if I want to see all of that data, I run the tool like that, and I get a screen full and more of all of these little details about the photograph. Now, if I want to just look at some particular piece of data, I can run a tool like this and look for the date and time. And you can see this picture was taken in June of 2016. And now I'll run this other command where I'm going to look for the device type, and it tells me that it's a cell phone. So I'm going to run one more command, and that is going to look through my output for the latitude and longitude settings. And you can see they're fairly detailed down here. And this happens to be a location in the state of Virginia, which is no surprise. Well, that is your Linux tip for EXIFTool. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.